All right, hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today is we'll be installing another accessory. We're going to be installing the mud flaps for the back of here. You might be going, mud flaps, what? Well, here it is here. And these are made for Gen 2 Outlanders. So this is supposed to go, and this will slide right behind here and then lock in place. And so it'll be basically give you protection down below your bumper there, or somewhere down. Yeah, basically keep a little bit more of the mud from flying back this way. So that's what we'll be working on. Should be a pretty easy install. Just got one bolt there we got to put in, and the holes are drilled in the back part, but we just got to drill a couple holes in the back here, right in these tabs. One here and one here. So I'll just drill them out. And then they got like the same style little mounting clips that are behind your gauge here. If you've done the snorkel mount, you know what I'm talking about. I could show you in the packet, but anyways, it's pretty easy install, so shouldn't take me too long. I'm going to pull this in the garage and drill those holes out, get it mounted up, and show you what it looks like after we're done. So here's a before. You can see we have no protection at all from the taillights down. So we'll take a look at it after we're done here. Alright guys, so all you do is right here on the back fender, just inside here, you'll see this little plastic piece with the divot right in the center there. You can see the little divot right there. All you do is drill that out. So just put your drill gun on there. Drill that one out, and then drill this other one right there. Drill that one out. That's got the same divot on there. So they're already pre-marked. So there you go. Now you just put your bolts in there, and the little pin or pop pin, whatever it is, goes right there, and it's easy. So next step will be putting them on. Alright, once you got the back two holes drilled out, there's a little screw that's right up there. You take this one out right here, and then that'll let you slide this piece out right here, which you don't need anymore because this fender piece actually kind of goes right up in there where that was. Let me do this one-handed here, kind of a pain. So, but there, this fender piece will just slide right up in there, and then it just clips in and bolts on the back, and there you go. Hey guys, got the fenders put on here. This is what they look like here. Look pretty darn sweet. Give you extra coverage, as you can tell. I've been going through some water and mud and stuff, and hopefully it keeps more of it from flying up back behind the four-wheeler this way. So we shall see, but I think it looks pretty darn nice. I think it looks pretty good. Gives you a little bit of added protection back there. Be nice if they actually stuck out just a little more width-wise, but overall I think it is a pretty good addition. So all right, thanks a lot guys, and we will catch you later. Hope you like the videos. There we are, doing a little hill climbing today. This right here is a Minnesota hill. That's right. About all the bigger we get. Otherwise it's flat. So when we see an opportunity to climb, we climb.